We are on Iron Point Road next to Folsom High School and Grover Road. Some Polara iN2 buttons.
Wait, Grover. Walk sign is on the cross. Grover. Grover. Walk sign is on the cross. 29. Wait. Wait to cross Grover at Iron Point. Wait. 22. 21.
Same one on this side.
7. Wait. Wait to cross Grover at Iron Point. Wait. Grover. Walk sign is on the cross. Grover. Grover. Walk sign is on the cross. 29. 28. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This speaker sounds a little crappy. Now let's go to this one.
Wait, wait, wait to cross Iron Point at Grover. Wait, wait. Wait, wait, Iron Point. Walk sign is on the cross. Iron Point. Iron Point. 35.
And countdown on this side.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Wait. Wait to cross Iron Point at Grover. Wait. 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 Wait, Grover. Walk sign is on the cross. Wait, Grover. Grover. Walk sign is on the cross.
Now let's go over to that iN2 over there.
Wait. Wait to cross Grover at Iron Point. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Grover. Walk sign is on the cross. Grover. Grover. Walk sign is on the cross. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, that's it for this video. I'm gonna go find a different intersection now. See you later.